Hello children, before we start our new topic, let us have a quick recap of our previous session, the digestive system. The digestive system consists of organs which are involved in breaking down of food we eat, absorbing nutrients and eliminating waste products. The organs involved are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. When we take a bite of food, our digestive system is activated automatically. Do you know which system takes the extra liquid out of your body? Did you know most of the food that we eat also contains lots of liquids? Imagine what would happen if all the liquids get trapped in the body. If your body did not get rid of extra liquids, do you think a blast would occur in your tummy? No, it will not happen like that. The body has certain parts which take care of extra liquids. All these parts are the parts of urinary system. This is also called the excretory system. Let's learn in detail about the excretory system. The organ system that helps to remove waste from our body is known as excretory system. The excretory system consists of two kidneys, two ureters, one urinary bladder and one urethra. The impure blood flows into the bean-shaped kidneys and get filtered. The formation of urine takes place inside the kidneys. Urine contains harmful waste products formed inside the body. The waste products flows from the kidneys through ureters and collects in a balloon-like organ called urinary bladder. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder until being released through the urethra. The muscles of urethra relax to remove urine from the body. Every day, our kidneys process around 200 liters of blood and around 1 to 2 liters of waste is removed as urine. Did you know all the body blood passes through the kidneys 350 to 400 times a day? Let us learn about excretory organs, the process by which harmful and unwanted substances get removed from our body is called excretion. There are three types of excretory organs. Kidneys help in removal of unwanted or waste substances in the form of urine. Sweat glands in the skin help in removal of liquid waste products through sweat from our body. Lungs help in removal of gaseous waste products in the form of carbon dioxide from our body. Do you all drink water every day? Does water provide nutrients to our body? Why do we drink water every day? To fulfill our thirst. Water is an essential component of our diet. It helps our body in various ways. Nearly 70% of our body is made up of water. Let us learn about functions of water in our body. Water helps in proper digestion of food and also relieves constipation. It helps in working of bowel system. Blood is composed mainly of water. It helps in transportation of nutrients. It helps our kidneys in excretion of waste substances from our body in the form of urine. It prevents headache. It helps to maintain the balance of body fluids, helps to remove toxins and waste from the body. It strengthens our immune system. It helps to provide nutrition to all cells of the body. Our brain will function better. Our brain consists of more than 75% of water. Water helps in regulation of body temperature, boost metabolism to burn calories. Children, I have two questions for you. Bean shaped structures that filter the blood are called kidneys, an essential component of our diet, water. Thank you.